Click on the link below to get price. The electric dirt bike is an impressive ride-on toy that skillfully combines fun and safety, making it an excellent choice for young adventurers aged 8 and up. With a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour, this bike provides a thrilling experience without being overwhelming. The sturdy construction ensures that it can support riders up to 150 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of children and even some smaller adults. The design of the bike is visually appealing, mimicking the look and feel of a real dirt bike. The vibrant colors and sleek lines are sure to capture the attention of kids, while the comfortable seat provides a smooth ride. It's clear that the manufacturer considered both aesthetics and functionality in this model. The bike's lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, and the wide tires ensure good traction on various terrains, from grass to dirt paths. One of the standout features of this electric dirt bike is its user-friendly controls. The throttle is easy to operate, allowing young riders to accelerate smoothly without any abrupt jolts. The adjustable speed settings provide an added layer of safety, enabling parents to limit the maximum speed for younger or less experienced riders. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with a reliable braking system, ensuring quick stops when necessary. The battery life is another commendable aspect of this dirt bike. With a fully charged 24V battery, kids can enjoy up to 40 minutes of ride time, which is ample for most outdoor adventures. The charging process is straightforward, taking around 5 to 8 hours for a full recharge, making it convenient for parents. Overall, the electric dirt bike offers a fantastic balance of excitement and safety. Its robust build, impressive speed, and thoughtful design elements make it an ideal choice for young riders eager to explore the outdoors. Whether on trails or in backyards, this electric dirt bike promises countless hours of enjoyment, making it a worthwhile investment for active families.